Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about the equation of circle with center at the origin. We are going to cover 5 things. Equation of a circle with center at the origin at 0, 0 has the form x squared plus y squared equals radius squared. In question number 1, we have the center at 0, 0. We need to find where it's crossing the x and the y-axis. The y-axis is crossed at 4 and minus 4. The x-axis is also crossed at 4 and minus 4. We can see from here that the radius of this circle is equal to 4. The equation of this circle is x squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. We've got the final answer, x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. In question number 2, we have to draw the circle. The first thing that we have to look at is this r squared part. In our question, that r squared is equal to 9. The center of the circle is at 0, 0, and it has a radius of 3. We can mark where it's crossing the axis, and then we draw our circle. I recommend you to use a pair of compasses to draw this. Show whether the following points are on the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. In order to do this, we are going to replace the x value with a 2 and the y value with a 4 and compare the left hand side with the right hand side. The left hand side is x squared plus y squared and the right hand side is 25. Replacing the x values and the y values, simplify it and solve it. 20 is not equal to 25. We can write our conclusion. The point 24 is not on the circle. Let's do the same comparison for the other question. Again, we are going to substitute the x and the y values. That's 3 squared plus 4 squared. 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. We can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now we just have to state this in a conclusion. To demonstrate this on a sketch, point 34 would be somewhere on the circumference, and point 24 would not be on the circumference. The point 68 is on the circle. Let's assume 68 is somewhere here. What is the equation of the circle? We are going to use the help of Pythagoras' theorem to work this out. The horizontal length is 6 and the vertical length is 8. And we need to work out the radius. We can now see that the radius is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. R squared is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared. R squared is 100, therefore our radius is 10, and the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. And finally, find the area and circumference of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. R squared is equal to 100. Therefore, the radius of this circle is 10. The area of the circle is pi r squared. Replace the values. We have pi times 100. And I'm going to just simplify this as 100 pi in terms of pi. The circumference is 2 pi r. This is 2 pi times 10. And we've got our circumference, 20 pi.